All right, welcome to another house tour in San Diego. Today we're going to be going inside 10039 Woodpark Drive, which is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, single-story house built in 1973 with 1,300 square feet on a peaceful neighborhood street here in the city of Santee, 92071. This house is in the Rio Seco Elementary School boundaries, which educates K through 8th grades and is under a mile away. And it feeds into Santana High School for 9th and 12th grades, which is only about a half mile from the house. My name's Jesse Morrison, and I'm gonna walk you through the floor plan so that you can see, how it flows. And while I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and share some of the key features and highlights that this home has to offer. But one quick thing before getting started, I'm gonna go ahead and put a link in the description section below. That way you can book a call directly on my calendar so that if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. The link will take you directly to my website where you'll click this big green button and then just choose a day and a time that work best for you. And then tell me what you need help with, whether you need to sell your house, buy a new one, or both. Okay, let's get into it. All right, so starting out at the front yard, just notice all the low maintenance front yard with the rock there, and the lighting is here. You got nice open streets. There's no power lines on this street. Everything's been underground, which is really nice. You got the mountains down south, towards, I think that's Eucalyptus Hills area. And then it's a nice flat street. And you got this extra wide driveway here with access to the backyard. So imagine you could park a boat here or right behind the fence for a little bit more privacy or security, or maybe even some toys. Again, notice the front yard and how wide and open it is. At the front of the house, you have the newer windows here. You got that modern feel with the modern colors. And as you walk in, you're greeted with the open floor plan. You get the main living space here, right open to the kitchen, with tons and tons of cabinetry here. It's a nice. You got electrical stuff on the island there. I want you to notice how large this couch is. I want you to see how wide it is, because when you see it, you can see how big this space is. I like how the window pops out here towards the front. You got recessed lighting, central HVAC, heating and air. I like the backsplash here. Notice the crossbone patterns. All this counter space here is quartz. You got this big island. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 chairs. Look at how much pantry space is in this kitchen. I'm gonna open up these cabinet doors so that you can kind of see how much space is here. These shelves can adjust up and down, but they're in all of these cabinets here. Go ahead and close these up. They have that nice soft closing mechanisms. And you have these newer, nicer LG refrigerator with the bottom freezer. You got the gas stove over there. Again, a microwave above the stove. And here on the island, you have these pull-out drawers with the soft closing. And over here, you have a nice wide stainless steel sink, the dishwasher to the side. And then over here, you have more pull-out drawers, but underneath it is the, access to the trash, which is convenient right next to the sink. Easy to use, faucets there, and you're overlooking the front of the house from the sink. Down this direction are all the bedrooms, and over here is another living space. So let's go check out the actual living room. Over there is the access to the garage. You have recessed lighting here. and you have private access to the backyard there, which we'll get to a little bit later. But notice you got a little step here, so I would imagine that space that we were just in was an enclosed patio at one point, so an addition. So in this hallway you have 1, 2, 3 bedrooms, and then this bathroom services 2 of those bedrooms. Notice the tile on the floor, the nicer tile and upgrades on the walls there. Hey, how's it going? All right, so we have a double vanity. And check out how there's all this space to use. I like all the different, organizers and the drawers, and it's a pretty nice vanity for the bathroom here. All right, and then moving on to the right here is bedroom number 1. All right, this one looks out towards the side of the house. It's private, nobody's staring in at you. Bedroom number 2, right next to it, looks out towards the backyard. Notice the closet space has closet organizers built in, which is pretty nice. Notice the floors that carry on throughout the house. I think those are vinyl. Each of the bedrooms has ceiling fans and recessed lighting. I like that this room has its own backyard access and mirrored closet doors, and notice how it's staged with like kids furniture, but this is the master. Like there's the master bedroom or bathroom in this direction. I like the blue vanity here. The blue and the gold really go well with each other, and really complement the shower here with the blue shower tiles on the backsplash here, which is really nice. The gold fixtures carry on through there as well. So that's the master. And then here is your linen closet for your towels and your sheets to service the bedrooms and bathrooms. And then let's go ahead and make our way out towards the back of the house now. Notice again the hard floors carry on throughout the house. Before we go out back, let's kind of go through the garage first. So it's a typical Santee garage, right? It's open and exposed what the beams are, at least, or that is the side yard. And then you have the water heater, washer and dryer. I like that there's a wash sink out here as well. But that's it. That's the garage. Let's go ahead and go out back now. You have these sliding glass vinyl doors, taking you out back. I like that there's a big concrete pad right here. And they got string lighting to make it nice. I'm not quite sure what kind of tree that is. Oh, but you got lemons here, nice mature lemon tree. And here's that side yard, right, where you could park the boat or trailer or whatever it is that you wanted to park over here. I want to show you the rest of the backyard. So we'll make our way out this way. Look at how wide and deep this yard is. It's like a blank canvas. There's nothing out here right now, but it's for you to do. I wish there was kind of like a little pad here for that master bedroom, but you can put pavers out there if you wanted to. I think that's a pepper tree, but notice all the big mature trees out here, and the vinyl fencing. That is your AC condenser right there. But that's it. That's the house. All right, thanks so much for touring 10039 Woodpark Drive with me. If anyone you care about could benefit from this information, just make sure to share this video using that share button below. Again, my name's Jesse Morrison, and if you're looking to make a move, whether you're 9 days or 9 months out, just use that link in the description section to book your free call directly on my calendar so that we can talk about your next best steps to making that happen in today's market. Otherwise, if you're just looking for more information at this time, I recommend that you check out this video that YouTube thinks that you should watch next. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. That way you can keep up with everything about San Diego real estate and our housing market.